Hi guys, welcome back. Bienvenue mesdames et messieurs, mademoiselles et jeunes hommes. So in today's video, I'm gonna reveal to you another Chanel, vintage Chanel. Yeah! But what do we have on the menu today, madame? Eh bien, nous avons du Chanel. Du Chanel. Guys, I'm so excited, and I just can't have it. I know, I want you. That's what I sang when I saw this bag for about 2 years. This bag was my top bag because I wanted so hard. I really wanted it. And the problem with this bag, and you can go check yourself on eBay, on Vestiaire Collectif, anyway they don't have it. I don't know, Fashion File, the real, anyway they don't have this bag. The only place you can actually find it is on eBay. And the prices are insane. When I say insane, it's like this bag is being sold for $4,000, you know, the cheapest one. Then it's $468 and even like $10,000, and you will understand why. Woo! This is a vintage denim classic flap. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can see it on the camera. This bag is stunning. Say hello to my new baby. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yes. Yes. It's mine. It's mine. So, I will try to be short. I got this bag on videdressing.fr. This is a French website. The lady was based in Paris, I think, and I bought it for around 2,200 euros, which is a mega reasonable price for a vintage denim, because this bag is actually on eBay for $4,000. And I love this bag. I think denim and pink and denim are vintage, or are Chanel bags you have to own in your collection. Let me just show you. I don't have the authenticity card. I just have the sticker, and the stickers is a 7-digit starting with 1, which means this is from the early 90s. This bag is older than this one, just in case. So when you open it, it's a denim. You have, you know, like the pocket, blah 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 blah. Inside is a it's a black leather. You have the Chanel here, and we'll try to show the Made in France just in front of it, and you have the stickers just here. I love how amazing this bag looks. The only thing that pissed me off is that the person who got it, they cut the straps, you know, to make it a little bit shorter, but it's fine for the moment because I have an extra little denim here and I like an extra little denim here. So I will just add, I will take from an old bag a little, like, you know, a little piece of the metal strap and sew them together so I can win like about maybe 2 or 3 centimeters, which is always great because then I will be able to wear it crossbody. But now let me show you how it looks. So you can actually wear this, oops, but I never do like shoulder, on the shoulder like this. I think I'm way too massive to wear like on the shoulder, but this is how it looks. And then this is my favorite way to wear my Chanel bags. And as a crossbody, as you can see, it's a little bit too high. That's why I will undo the stitching and, you know, just try to gain a little bit so this can come like here, and I will be 100% like comfortable with it. But look how the denim pops as a color, as, you know, a material and the fabric. I love it. Seriously, I love it. This is incredible. This is incredible. This was my unboxing for this little pretty, little nasty, amazing, beautiful thing. I am really happy. I am so happy I got this. Because denim, at the moment there are some denim bags at Chanel and they are nice, but you know my love for vintage is to the moon, and I really wanted to have this one. Yeah, this is it for today, guys. I hope you loved and liked this video. Please don't forget to give me a little thumbs up if you loved it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because yes, there is more Chanel coming. There is more stuff. There is so many amazing things coming soon, so please don't forget to subscribe. Je vous embrasse et je vous dis à bientôt. Bye.